Good morning, it's Alane here, Bianatwa, Well-Being. I've been listening to this Zen by Buddha Bar. I recommend it highly enough, very nice and soothing. It's morning and we have arrived in Paris, and I think maybe I rested a little bit. I have this little walker here, I think I showed in a previous video, but I want to show you that it comes with a nice headset. However, being an HSP, the headset doesn't feel good to me because it's too tight on my head. So I brought my favorite little loose headphones that you can sometimes see, the blue ones you can see me using in video. So this is my whole little setup here. Got my Rick Steves France cut up the way he recommends. My emergency kit with my eye cover, money belt. I didn't end up using it. It felt so safe. This is the Air France amenities kit, and I really love this. I love that Air France has my initials, AF, and that their logo is a flying seahorse. I think that's pretty cool. So I came with my hand sanitizer from Trader Joe's, my Moxa hot pack. This little belt is to tie my backpack onto my carry-on with wheels in case I don't feel like carrying it. And this is me. I'll see you on the other side.